Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you GCash Gloan. Sorry, we cannot process your loan request problem in GCash application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap or hold on GCash application. Click on Apps Info or I button. Tap on Storage. Click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Data. Again click on Clear Cache Data. Go back. Open Play Store or Apps Store. Click on Search. Search GCash app. Update your GCash application latest version. You can follow all of the steps to fix GCash Gloan. Sorry, we cannot process your loan request problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.